Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Describe something that save your time. Let's start. Time is the most precious commodity. One, it's fine if you cannot get it back, so people need to manage the time in order to be successful. Planning time and dividing work and layer can make the anyone happy and successful. Saving money, I have heard of many places, but saving time is the need of the hour. In the modern world, I always calculate all the things before making any decision, and time came first. Here I am going to talk about my coaching class, which saved a lot of time during this COVID. We have released the true value of time, its most important resources. World was functioning online, all the business house, universities, office, governments, organizations. I also started an online course of the Ielts, and I save a lot of time and energy. As this program was online, I did not have to travel from my hometown to be nearby city or town. I attended all the lectures online, and tutor was so nice that he made virtual call more like an offline class. I did the course as it was offered by the most recognized IELTS Institute of the India, and it was never possible for me to move there and study as I also attend my university lecture. So moving there was not a good idea, and I decided to enroll online, so I will save a lot of time in traveling and economically. It sound good. I will studying be under a pedagogical expert every day. I can get in touch anytime I feel doubt, so I decided to go this off online. If I enrolled in an offline class, I would have to travel 3 hours on a daily commute, which could be total time waste, and I would feel tired. And offline class are noisy, and there is so much disturbance from the mischievous students who take the education for granted. So I decided to take this class online and save the time. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for the latest video cue card.